You will have to take 2 eggs and separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. So I'll show you how to do it. If you do not have an egg yolk separator, you can just do it in this way. So here are my 2 egg whites, and first we'll work on the 2 egg yolks. Wow, it even split open. To this I'm going to add milk and then just mix it together like this. Then you're going to add 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence, approx a quarter teaspoon, and again mix it together. Thereafter you'll have to sieve in 2 tablespoons of flour in this way. See that you do not take a lot, because it will become very heavy, else you'll have to lighten it up by adding a little milk extra. That's it. Mix it all in together, and this should be approximately the consistency, see, that you will have. Once that's ready, it's time to work on our egg whites. So for this you'll have to use the electric beater, and then continuously on the turbo mode you'll have to beat the egg whites. Initially the egg whites will start frothing when you use it on turbo mode like this, and thereafter you will see that it becomes white as cream. So this is the continuous process of what is happening when I'm using the electric beater. So this is not yet done. It's not forming stiff peaks. You have to add in at least 3 tablespoons of sugar in between, and keep beating it till you get stiff peaks. What do I mean by stiff peaks is, see, it should look like this. There. Once that is done, to assure it is ready, you can tilt your vessel upside down and the egg whites will not fall off. Now you'll add a bit of egg white to your egg yolk mixture and just mix it in like this to give it an airy kind of texture. And then that whole mix is going to be added to your egg whites that you have in the shape of cloud. Okay, now here we are not going to use the electric beater anymore. All we have to do is fold in, blend in that egg yolk with the egg white, little by little. You'll have to do this very gently. It will take time, because you cannot just mix it all in together, else that airy texture that you have of egg white will take time. So once you have folded it in all together, it should look like a cream color like this, which is a clear indication that you can go ahead with the frying. So the first process is keep the flame on slow mode, add oil to the pan, very little of oil, and then add the batter like this. Now if you have a piping bag, you will get that jiggly wiggly consistency of your pancake. If you do not have, you can just try this method. It won't jiggle wiggle so much, but it's quite good also. Once you are done with this, for a few minutes you'll have to wait, and then flip it over. You should have a golden brown layer on one side. Add in little drops of water and let it cook again, and then remove it off. So this is how it should look. And here add in your maple syrup or honey, whatever you love having your pancakes with, and then it's ready. Do let me know in the comments if you will be trying these Japanese fluffy pancakes, and for more interesting videos please do subscribe.